A lot of people wonder what they should do after a car accident, especially when it's not your fault. Number one, the most important thing you can do is documenting the scene. A lot of times there aren't any witnesses, especially if you're on the highway. So it would be great if all accidents happen, an intersection off the highway and there were stoplights and all these witnesses pulled over and said, here's my number. But if there's not witnesses, you're gonna have to do as much documenting as you can with your phones, with your cameras and all that stuff. Hopefully it's not a hit and run. That happens all the time, sadly. But if it's not, exchange insurance information with the other person. Even if they are saying, oh, let's not get the police involved, you might want to be nice and not do that. But I would say go ahead and call them just to get a police report, just in case, to be on the safe side. And then also contact your insurance company. And then after that, the next step would be, if you are injured, seeking medical attention. On top of that, then after all that, you should consult an attorney that same day, that same night, once you've taken care of all that stuff.